A rental order can be created by either employees or customers. One rental order can include multiple items, and each item can have its own rental time frame. In this video, let's walk through how to create a rental order from the admin portal. First, from the admin portal, navigate to Settings, then open Prefix Settings. Here, you can configure the prefix for rental order that will be automatically added to all rental orders, helping you easily identify and manage them in your records. Next, set up the rental products in the Products menu, then go to the Inventory module to add stock for products that are kept in inventory. For details on creating products, refer to the video Add Products and Product Variations. Next, set up Promotion Order Value or Promotion Rental Time programs, which will be automatically applied to rental orders meeting the conditions. The system will always select the most recently created program that matches the chosen customer and is still within its active period. Now, navigate to the Rental Orders menu and click Create Rental Order to start creating new order. In the order form, start by selecting the customer the order is for. At this point, any active promotion program that matches the selected customer will automatically appear here, helping you easily suggest longer rental periods or additional products so they can enjoy the full benefits of the offer. Next, select a payment method for this rental order. These methods come from the payment modes under the Setup menu or from any active payment gateways. The rental order always uses the system's default currency. Next, select a sales agent for this rental order. This person will receive notifications if the customer leaves a comment in the order, or when they create a return order from this rental. Then, choose the discount type for this order. You can select no discount, before tax, or after tax, depending on how the promotion should be applied. Next, set the rental start date and time in the Rental From field. This marks the exact moment when the rental period begins, and it will be used by the system to calculate the total rental duration. Then, choose the rental end date and time in the Rental To field. This determines when the rental period finishes, and along with the start date, it allows the system to automatically calculate the total duration of the rental and price. Next, select the expiration date. However, this is simply for reference, indicating the deadline by which the rented products should be returned. It does not affect the system's workflow or any automatic calculations. Next, you'll select the product you want to add to the rental order. If the product is an inventory item, the system will automatically display the current stock quantity right below the quantity field, so you can easily see what's available. For the rental period, the system will automatically populate the Rental From and Rental To fields based on the dates you previously set above. However, staff members still have the option to adjust these dates if needed, allowing flexibility to match the customer's actual rental requirements. The system automatically calculates the rental price based on the total duration of the rental and your product's pricing rules. Let's take a look at how the pricing works. For example, this product is configured with a rate of 100 for 1 day and 250 for 3 days. However, the customer is renting it for just 1 day and 14 hours. In this case, the system will charge for 2 days using the 1-day rate. You can refer to the example of rental hour calculation in the Add New Products and Product Variations video. You can also add other rental products to this order, each with different rental periods. This allows flexibility to manage multiple items within the same rental. When the subtotal reaches the program's minimum required value, and there is at least one product that meets the program's conditions, the discount will be automatically applied to that product. Click Save, and the order will now be set to draft status, ready for further review or editing before final confirmation. Open the order details. From here, staff can immediately change the order status to approved to proceed with the next steps, such as creating the invoice and processing the shipping, or alternatively, they can set it to waiting for approval if the customer needs to review the order before it is processed further. This action sends the customer an email requesting them to review and approve the order. The customer will open the email they receive and click on the provided link, which will take them to the Rental Order Details page. On this page, they can click Reject if they do not agree the order or accept to approve with it and allow the process to continue. After the customer clicks Accept and signs, the order status will automatically change to Approved. Once approved, the sales staff will be notified by email and web app notification. In addition, customers and staff have the ability to communicate directly within the order itself. At the discussion field, they can type any message or question they need to share regarding the order, then click Add Comment to submit it. Once the customer submits their message, the corresponding sales staff will receive a web notification. By clicking on this notification, they are taken directly to the related order details page, where they can open the discussion tab to read the customer's message. To respond, the staff can click Reply, type their response, and then click Send Reply. The customer will be able to see this response directly in the order details. If further questions or discussions are needed, either the customer or the staff can click Reply again to continue the conversation or create a new comment for a different topic. Note that if an order is not linked to any specific sales staff, you can go to Other Settings. In the notification recipients for the order field, select one or more staff members who will be responsible for receiving and responding to any customer inquiries submitted through the order. This ensures that all questions are addressed promptly, even when no specific salesperson is assigned. Next, we will proceed with processing the order, including creating the invoice and the delivery voucher. First, go to the Rental Orders menu and open the details page of the order you want to process. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Create Invoice button. Once the invoice is successfully created, the Create Export Stock button will appear. Click this button to generate the inventory delivery voucher, which will automatically update stock levels for any inventory items included in the order. If the requested quantity exceeds the available stock, you will not be able to create the delivery voucher. In this case, you need to either replenish the stock before processing or use the manual delivery voucher function to release a partial quantity. Alternatively, you can enable this option so that the system automatically generates a delivery voucher whenever an invoice is created. The inventory delivery voucher will be generated for either a partial or full quantity, depending on the available stock. Finally, after the order has been fully processed, go back to the order details page and update its status to finished. Changing the status is an important step, as it sets the stage for future processes, such as creating a return order. On the customer portal, they can view all their orders in the Order List menu. Here, orders are organized into separate tabs according to their status. For orders that are marked as finished, the customer will see a Return Request button within the order details, allowing them to initiate a return process if needed.